OPPO just announced the Reno12 and Reno12 Pro smartphones at an event in China. The OPPO Reno12 features a 6.7-inch OLED display with 1.5K resolution and up to 120Hz refresh rate display. Reno12 and Reno12 Pro, both handsets, are likely to feature triple rear camera, a 50-megapixel main camera, a 50-megapixel portrait sensor with 2x optical zoom, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 50-megapixel front camera sensor. The base OPPO Reno12 model has been tipped to be powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 8250 SoC, while the Pro variant is said to carry a MediaTek Dimensity 9200 Plus chipset, with up to 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 1TB UFS 3.1 storage. The phone boots ColorOS 14 out of the box, which is based on Android 14. Since 2024 is the year of AI, OPPO included some smart features into the camera app. It can fix the photo if someone blinked, remove people who walked into the frame, and help you replace the background. The Reno12 is available in 3 colors: Millennium Silver, Soft Peach, and Ebony Black, while the Reno12 Pro comes in Silver Fantasy Purple, Champagne Gold, and Ebony Black. Reno12 series is equipped with 5000 mAh battery with 80W charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.